Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander, Toyota's three-row family SUV that's designed to give you space, comfort, and choices under the hood. If you've been wondering which version of this SUV fits your lifestyle best, stick around because I'll break down all the engine options, performance, and what each one is really built for. This SUV isn't just bigger than the regular Highlander. It's smarter, roomier, and more powerful, with 3 different engine choices, modern tech features, and Toyota's legendary safety package. In this review, we'll cover the interior, cargo space, performance, trims, tech, and safety so you know exactly what to expect if you're considering the Grand Highlander. So let's jump right in. Interior and space. One of the standout features of the 2026 Grand Highlander is its spacious and functional interior. Unlike many three-row SUVs where the third row is only comfortable for kids, Toyota designed this one with adult-sized third-row seating. That means no more fighting over who gets stuck in the back during road trips. Even taller passengers will find it comfortable. Up front, the cabin is loaded with premium materials and a clean design. You'll find smart storage solutions, cup holders everywhere, USB-C charging ports in every row, and Toyota's large infotainment display that keeps everything at your fingertips. But it's not just about seating comfort. The Grand Highlander also delivers when it comes to storage. With the rear seats folded down, you get a massive 97.5 cubic feet of cargo space. That's enough room to carry bikes, camping gear, luggage for the whole family, or even a small piece of furniture. It's truly designed with practicality in mind. Let's talk about the powertrain choices. Now, let's talk engines. Because Toyota is giving buyers 3 distinct powertrain options to fit different lifestyles. Small Blue Diamond first up, the 2.4-liter turbo gas engine. This one's straightforward, no hybrid components, just a reliable gasoline engine with solid power. It's the right choice if you want lower upfront cost and don't mind filling up at the pump more often. Small Blue Diamond, and next, the 2.5-liter hybrid. This combines a gas engine with electric motors for better fuel efficiency and a quieter drive. If you're commuting a lot, driving in the city, or simply want to save money on fuel, this is the smart pick. Small Blue Diamond, and finally, the 2.4-liter turbo hybrid max. This is the performance option, delivering an impressive 362 horsepower. That's a lot for a family SUV, and it means you get faster acceleration, strong towing capability, and a sportier drive, all while still benefiting from hybrid technology. And the best part? All 3 options are available with all-wheel drive. That gives you extra grip and confidence in rain, snow, or even light off-road conditions. If you're in the market for a large 3-row SUV, the Grand Highlander should absolutely be on your shortlist. It's versatile, it's practical, and it's built for today's families. So, what do you think? Would you go for the fuel-efficient hybrid, the budget-friendly gas engine, or the powerful hybrid max? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.